Welcome to 2024. Tim here with the West DFW REI Group. Hope you finished off 2023 with a bang, but 2024 is here and it's time to get busy. This invitation is specific to members only, the VIP members of the West DFW REI Group. I want to personally invite you to attend these once a month Zoom calls where we can get down and dirty, get into the details of your business and answer any questions you may have and help you take your business to the next level. We only allow members to this event. This is also a great event for sponsors too, and highly recommend that the sponsors attend to get to know the members and members get to know the sponsors. So this is a great opportunity to build that relationship. But come join us, bring your questions, do your homework, practice, draft up, if you're new, draft up your 30-second elevator speech so you can tell people who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. And if you need help with that, bring it to the event and let's let the group help you and see how we can grow your business in 2024. So come join us. Let's do more deals together at the West DFW REI Group, the watering hole for North Texas real estate investors. Look forward to seeing you soon.